Good morning, guys. Just woke up. Well, I've been up like 2 hours, but I just was laying around. So I'm just pulling the drapes. Obviously. Now I'm gonna go have some wheat bix. So I've already cracked my wheat bix. There's 4 wheat bix there, guys. And I've got some bananas like getting overripe. I done a saw Faye yesterday with some of the bananas. Because why we got so much bananas, you see? Because my sister-in-law went and got bananas and I got bananas, but I didn't know she was getting bananas. So we ended up with too much bananas. Dishwasher. Well, the bananas got a little stain there. Yeah, Ngalila, yeah, we're broken. The banana is broken. Anyway, I'm just cutting off that mark. If you're making banana cake or poke, that mark is A-okay. Get a little banana. Eh. Your hair. Trying to have a domestic violence with me. Yeah. Look at all that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to eat it. I'm gonna have to eat it all. Man, breathe in, breathe out. Guys, you know there's a like a good thing that they do here in New Zealand. So there's a container that you put your scraps, you know, like your food scraps and stuff. Just no bones, no paper, put in it, please. And it sits over there. So every time we have leftovers, we put it over there. And when it comes to bin days, you can take it out. And then they have this container where you put just glass bottles. And then they have a yellow bin and a red bin. So they have all this recycling things, even with food these days. Far out. New Zealand, that's awesome. Can you imagine if Australia did that? If Australia did that, okay, there'll be so much rice. Yeah, but it's so awesome. I don't know where they take the leftover food. It must be to a big garden or something, a huge garden to make compost or something. I gotta get the milk, guys. Okay, let's see. Faye susu. I don't want too much, but then I don't want it to be dry. It just seems like a lot of milk. Yeah, stop. So I've got my breakfast here, guys. I have my little shopping list here with nothing on it, of course. It's only my brother-in-law's phone number because my husband is over at my brother-in-law's house, at his brother's house. Come on, guys, let's have breakfast. You guys probably already ate, but sharing is caring. I'm gonna have to eat this all up. See what happens? Sometimes I'll put honey on it. Delicious, but I don't want it too sweet. So, my husband's gone to stay with his brother closer to the airport because he goes back on Saturday to Australia. And then he's gonna hang out a little bit with his kids. And then he'll return. So it will take about 2-3 weeks or a month before he gets back here. If he's back early, then my kids got sick of him and put him back on the plane and sent him over here. But if they're, gonna be all right and my husband doesn't stress them out, then he'll be there for a month. That's alright, you know. This will make you full for ages. You guys must have got a big shock to find out that we have moved to New Zealand, eh? It was a big shock to me too, guys. I keep saying to my husband, if only I could bring my mum with me. I have a big sister back in Sydney. So I asked her to go and visit Mama and, you know, hang out with her mum. And I've got 2 brothers there too. And I know one of them, Maeli, he'll go and visit. I think every fortnight he visits. Shouldn't be an effort to go see your parents, I reckon. I asked if what I saw on the ground was puha, and I got replies back. So thank you for replying back to my question, because I'm such an amateur and I don't want to pick the wrong thing. So I thought about the ones that I saw along the road. It's too close to the walkway, so I won't go and pick those. But if I see like a big patch of grass and it's got that looking plant, I'll take a fork and a plastic bag and put it in there and bring it home and watch it. I got excited to find out that I now know what it looks like, you know. Talofa everyone, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Yeah. So I thought I'll go for another walk, right? By force, guys, by force. Okay, because if I had a car, I would not be walking. But anyway, I think it's supposed to be like this, so I can, you know, take my lazy ass to the shop. It's only my second time walking. My second time? No, my third time. See, getting experience, turning professional walker. Guys, by force. Anyway, I got my shopping bag, so I can go and, yeah, buy what me and my nephew need, because my husband is probably at the airport right now, checking in, about to leave to go back to Australia. So, not far to go now before we get to the shop. Yeah, so I'll show you when we get to the shop, because I have to breathe properly. Wait a while. It was raining last night, guys, but today the day is delicious. Yeah, so I'm going to Super Value. Okay, I'm so puffed out, but I try not to be so loudly, guys. Going to Super Value because I need like something to make my fish and chips today. Yeah, my nephew and I are having fish and chips. So I'm in the bakery now, guys. Do you want to see what I got? Okay, I'll show you. So I got the chicken avocado and sweet chili sauce. That's from my nephew. He was still asleep when I left. And this sandwich here, club sandwich. And I got me just a plain mince pie here. Okay. And my shopping's over there. I'm going to have to carry that home, so that's why I took it easy while I was buying. But I don't think this is enough for my nephew. I'll get him something else to add on that. Because that's mine, that's his, that's mine. I'm just wondering if he wants a pie. And would it be squash by the time I get home? Anyway, I'll get him something else. But that's my breakfast, guys. A plain mince pie, club sandwich, and this juice. Yeah. One moment, I've got to do my crown. Okay, because, you know, getting thanks. And here's the pie. Would have been nice if it was a little bit hotter, but here you guys, have a bite. so lucky to be here in New Zealand, enjoying all this beautiful bakery food. I mean, the pastry is really nice. That's a plain pie, but I can taste a hint of, I don't know if it's cumin or curry. You can taste a hint of it in there, which makes it nice. Nice. So. And the filling is really chock-a-block. Sometimes you just want a plain pie. You don't want all the other extra bits. You just want a plain pie. Where was I? I was really interrupted. I usually like to eat my meat pies with like plain chips, but I don't have any. Don't have a packet of plain chips. Not bad. I like the taste of the mint. What do you think of the club sandwiches? Nice, eh? It's got egg, lettuce, chicken, beetroot, and repeat. Nice. It's so good to cook for my nephew. He eats the food that I cook. Unlike the kids at home back in Australia, I cook the food and they go make noodles. And they won't even give me a request on what to cook. And they still eat the noodles. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. I forgot to give you guys a cheers. Cheers. This is Just G's orange and mango. It's the best flavour. Tangaroa always likes orange, but I like orange and mango. I think because it's on a flavour. I'm home guys. But overly I'm so tired from that walk. Yeah, guys, I've got to chill. My glasses are fogging. I'm so useless. I'm lying down, sore feet. I am. Foggy glasses. Oh, I actually got to wash my face. They'll cool it down with some cold water. Good thinking. Yeah, now I'm fresh. Head's going to get me a paper towel. Guys, that won't be happening for a while. Okay, so we have enough meats, chicken, mint, sausages, we have all that. Love it. And we got a bag of potato. I bought some rice, jasmine rice. I bought a long grain rice, like a home brand one. And it was really tasteless, like, hello, what the? You guys probably, ole kaya la si. Sorry guys, sorry my language. Oh, where? So I put the air conditioner on, just to get some cool. Look at my glasses, you can barely see my other eye. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have a rest, and yeah, later on I'm gonna, prepare our dinner. We are having like fish and chips today, guys. Fish and chips. I bought 1 lemon, so 1 lemon will be half each for me and Rico. Yep. And then we're gonna have it with like the side salad is like cucumber. Give it if you my Rico, you might go, Auntie. You know my mom said that I like salad, eh? What the heck did you put on my plate, Al? Eh? Then I'll say, shh, get over, go. O ia, e whasi oi. You should see how massive, you know, whew, he's so tall compared to me. So that fussy will not happen without him picking me up and slapping me up. Shit, stop it. Anyway, that was a nice walk. I quite liked it. I was a bit faster this time on my movements, guys. I was a bit like, you know how you see those models walking down the catwalk? Yeah, I'm almost there, guys. The way I was walking, I was thinking, oh, with a bit of limp, you're almost to the catwalk. And I said to myself, keep going, Faye. You're going to get on that catwalk one day. Yeah. Trust and believe, okay? Doesn't matter if you're nearly 100 years old. Trust and believe. This is Rico's lunch that I made. Fish and chips. And a nice cool salad of cucumber and tomatoes. Now I'm going to call him to come and eat.